and welcome to Curry TV. Today, I'm here to share a recipe of masalas, spiciness, all the spices that we use in this household, along with how we use it, where we use it, how much of we use it. Let me show you all the spice blends that are out there. Well, today I'm going to show you the varieties of chilies, the variety of spices that we use in different curries. So I'm here to answer many of your questions that you have been frequently asking. So this is actually a most requested video for our viewers. In every household, in any Indian household, there will be a spice box. Okay, my spice box is like so. Why? This is one spot for any dish. So this is actually the spices that we use on a daily basis, apart from the ones that we really need to be keeping it stored in an airtight container. So for sambar powder, for meat masala, for chicken masala, for fish masala, whatever spices that is, that will be kept separate. But overall, these are the spices that I use on a daily basis. So I have cumin, fenugreek, dried red chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and mustard. This is my to-go spot for any dish. So this is my basics, okay? This is there for all households in India. So I recently got this box and it's really nice, and it has a clear top and it's easy to manage. So apart from this, let me show you all the rest of the spices that we usually use. So I have shahjeera, cumin, this is star anise, cardamom, white pepper, black pepper. This is coriander, whole coriander, cinnamon, this is fennel. So I have three in our language when we talk about jeera varieties: shahjeera, small jeera, big jeera. So shahjeera is used in cakes, meat masalas, whatnot. This is for when you're making yogurt, when you, even in the meat masala that is there, but very little. This one for beef and mutton, it's a must. That enhances the flavor of those two meat products. The cardamom, white pepper, black pepper, coriander, whole coriander, cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. This whole variety right here is measured in teaspoons, tablespoons, and into according to which variety of meat you're using. I'll show you that recipe coming along. And let me show you the rest of the spices that I'm going to be using. This is whole fenugreek. Dry roast this, grind it in a mixie, and then you'll get fenugreek powder, which can be used in idlis, dosas, and other yogurt dishes as well. Even in fish curry, this is a key important thing. We need bay leaf, this is mace, and this is nutmeg. This is the whole nutmeg. This is actually the flour that covers the nutmeg. And then this is what it's inside. You can dry roast this and use it for medicinal purposes. And this is also very good to have in your spice blend. So I have those varieties. This is the varieties of spices. Let me show you the red chili varieties that we use in this household. Remember when I actually show you different types of chili powder, say this is red chili powder, this is spicy, this is non so spicy. Let me show you this. This is Kashmiri red chili. This is the naughty guy. This one does have a kick, okay? If you want to make the red chili powder that is in there, dry roast this and grind it into fine powder. That's how you get that, okay? When you're garnishing your buttermilk, when you're in your any curries, any fish curry, this is a dry red chili that doesn't have much heat compared to this, but this is just to add that visual treat to your curry, okay? So these are all different types of red chilies that we use. Now, this person has a key importance in a sadhya, the meal itself on the banana leaf. You can dry it and fry it, and it's actually one of the things that you put at the tip of your banana leaf. It's very important. We use it as on a side dish when we are fasting, when we are actually trying to cleanse our body this is something that we actually depend on, especially during Lent season. This is the key thing. You can dry roast, dip it in yogurt, in other spice blends, and then dry it, and you can use this. It's really good. I'll show you that recipe in the coming days. Okay, so I just introduced you all the spices that we use in this household. Now, if you want to learn how to use the quantity, the spice blends, the varieties, then you got to check out my rest of my videos. So I'm going to be sharing my chicken recipe, chicken garam masala recipe, beef garam masala recipe, mutton garam masala recipe, sambar garam masala recipe, a fish garam masala. No, you don't say fish garam masala. You use this fish spice blend. All these varieties are going to be shown in my rest of the videos. So thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.